Okay, let's take a look at opening a link in a new window. So we probably all know that you can control or command click a link, and this is going to open up in a new tab. And maybe we don't want that. Maybe we want to force people to, every time they click a link, open in a new tab, which could be the same as right-clicking and open link in new tab. But if we want to force this on someone, we actually have that power. So I'm going to go over to helloworld.html. And for Google, every time they go to an external page, because this is an internal page or a relative page, and this is an external website or an absolute link, we can say target is equal to, and this one looks a little weird, there's an underscore there, but target is equal to blank. And so this is our attribute, is equal to apostrophe, underscore blank is the value, has to be that underscore blank, and then our closing attribute quotation mark. Let's go ahead and save that, and let's just refresh this page. And now it doesn't look like anything has changed, but when I click this, I'm not going to command click or control click. I'm not going to right click and click open link in new tab. I'm just going to click this link and it's going to open in a new tab for me automatically. Just like that, we now have two tabs. And so that's how you open a link in a new tab.